Let's go on a journey of JM. There's John and there's Mark, and how could we forget Jen? Let's go on a journey of JM. Tina, Isabella, Robert and Damien, Journey of JM.
Hey guys, just want to say good morning to everybody. Just getting up. Right now, it's going to be a short video today because I don't know what's going on, because right now there's nothing planned. So I don't know what's going to happen. So I'll keep you informed and stuff like that. So enjoy the journey today, and I'll see you later. Hey guys, we're out and about. We're heading to Michael's. Everyone wants to check a few things out at Michael's. So, there's Jennifer. Say hi, Jennifer. So, I'll put you on hold for right now and see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, thought I'd show you a little of the out and about. So, something a little different. I'm gonna show you a little, try to make the video a little bit longer for you guys, so it's not such a short video tonight.
Well, John didn't know what to do to give you guys a adventure today, but I thought of this. Sure, I wanted to go to some other places, but one's too far away. That would be Hobby Lobby, and he doesn't want to go back to Walmart or twice in a row.
It's like we're always going to Walmart, so I figured, you know, you guys are probably getting tired of Walmart. So if you guys want us to keep doing Walmart, leave it in the comments. Otherwise, I don't know what we're going to do at Walmart. Because to me, Walmart's getting a little boring and a little exhausting. We're doing.
Are you going the normal way or turning?
Turning.
Because I kind of wanted to show him the church that
right.
I kind of wanted.
We'll show you where the church is that we're hoping to have the wedding. Otherwise, we would have turned back there. So I'll keep going straight so I can show you the church.
Because I told Mom that every time I look at this church, I feel drawn to it. The outside of it. So I hope they have an opening for the day that we want it.
Otherwise, that right there is the church.
Told her that it was big and everything. It is big.
A really big church. I mean, this church is huge. But there's the church right there. That's where we're hoping to have the wedding. I'll give you a really good glimpse of it because it's a really big church. I've never seen a church that big.
Mom got to see the church, so hopefully she's happy tonight.
And here's the roundabout. I'll show you what I love doing.
Oh no, not this again.
I'm doing this for you guys.
And this is annoying and embarrassing. Especially when there's a guy coming. Okay, let's just go.
We'll go around one more time.
No! Oh God.
Do do do. Do do
Oh, God.
do.
Oh God. Oh, and he went by. Oh God. He makes me crazy.
And these speed bumps are ridiculous. They're like super high. I try to avoid them as much as I can by doing this. Because they're really bad.
I kind of want to put Mom in that hole. Well, my mom, not your mom. She's close by. They're like that. She's going to hear that and she's going to say, "Where do you want to put me?"
And then another big speed bump. You guys are really getting a journey today. Both of you guys enjoy this. Now we're sitting at this red light. I hate red lights.
Especially the long ones. Like we used to have.
Do do do, do do do, do do do. Come on. Here's the green arrow. If I can make this green light. So, come on. And we're going to hit this red light. There's McDonald's over there, Walgreens. I'll kind of show you here real quick here. You can see McDonald's there, you can see Walgreens right there. And we just got the green light, so.
And the hospital's right here too.
And then right down the road there is where the hospital's at. There's a park here where you can get canoes and kayaks. Or I can launch my kayak as well. And they only charge $2 to get into that park, which ain't bad. The only thing is I like doing rivers, and that's just a little lake that you can do.
Teeny.
Pizza, anybody? There's the entrance. I don't know if you saw that or not. this journey right now unedited for you guys, so hope you guys are enjoying this.
Really unedited. You think Michaels is gonna let you record in there?
No, I'm talking about the journey right now to Michael's. There's Taco Bell, Home Depot. Another McDonald's.
I love Bell's Outlet, but the only problem is there's two different Bell's Outlet, well, three Bell's Outlet. Bell's Outlet Home Furniture, regular Bell's, and then Bell's Outlet. Bell's Outlet is the one I like. It's a clothes store.
And a few other items and stuff that they have.
True. They've got toys in there and stuff, shoes.
That takes you to Walmart.
Oh yeah, never mind. A new sign for Target.
And we're almost there. Come on. There we go. Now it's turned green. And then right here is where Michael's is at. And we're gonna have a car go super slow. So I'll go ahead and turn you guys off right now. So hope you guys enjoyed that journey. See you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, we're back in the car right now. Didn't find anything at Michael's. Jared was hoping to find some grab bag, but she couldn't find that. So just to let you know, we're back in the car. Now we're heading back home. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit unless something changes. So hopefully you enjoyed today's journey. See you in a little bit. Hey guys, I gotta show you this. We got a bird sitting right in the middle of the road, refusing to move.
And there's more.
He does not want to move. So I will let you guys show this to you.